Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is actually episode 55. I just went completely blank. Is it 55? Y'all, I gotta look. I really just went totally blank right when I said that. Yes, we are on number 55. We're outside today. My light that I use, like my ring light that I normally use inside the cabin, because it's kind of dark inside the cabin. But my ring light that I normally use, it just went out. I don't know what happened to it. It just completely stopped working. So I've had to order another one of those. So for now, yeah, you might hear a little bit of that every once in a while, and possibly the wind kind of making its way through here, but I'm gonna do my best to speak loud, and I hope that you guys enjoy this today. All right, let's get started. Okay, number 55. Be still in the light of my presence while I communicate love to you. There is no force in the universe as powerful as my love. You are constantly aware of limitations, your own and others. But there is no limit to my love. It fills all space, time, and eternity. Now you see through a glass darkly, but someday you will see me face to face. Then you will be able to experience fully how wide and long and high and deep is my love for you. If you were to experience that now, you would be overwhelmed to the point of feeling crushed. But you have an eternity ahead of you, absolutely guaranteed, during which you can enjoy my presence in unrestricted ecstasy. For now, the knowledge of my loving presence is sufficient to carry you through each day. Be still in the light of my presence while I communicate love to you. There's so many times that we just need to be still. Just be still and know that God is God, and that no matter what, He has your best interest in mind, and no matter what, His plan is going to be the best one for you. He created you. So of course, whatever He has laid out for you, the riches in heaven, seeing our loved ones in heaven. Okay, let me give you all the verses. And yes, I did my nails. I finally did them. We had a little get-together to go to a gender reveal party for some real close friends of ours. And so I decided to do my nails finally. Speaking of the gender reveal, I was so nervous to go, like so anxious. My anxiety was high. I was just, I don't know what to say to people. I haven't been leaving my house, like not much, really, not being around people, especially not people I know, because then you have to talk to people, and I just don't want to right now. You know what I mean? Anyways, but what was strange was, not only did I end up not really having to talk to anybody while I was there, but I had people just straight up avoid me. Obviously avoid me. You know what I mean? Like people that you would normally speak to out in public, you would always say hello or whatever. Completely avoid me. And I guess that's just part of it, because people just don't know what to say, I hate that. I hate that. It just puts everybody in such a weird position, I guess. Anyways. All right, let's do the verses. I just thought I would share that with y'all and see if, any of you have had the same experience, since the loss of your child. Did you have people just very blatantly avoid you? Yeah. All right, let's do the verses. For now we see through a glass darkly, but then face to face. Now I know in part, but then shall I know, even as also I am known. 1 Corinthians 13:12. I pray that out of his glorious riches he may strengthen you with power through his Spirit in your inner being, so that Christ may dwell in your hearts through faith. And I pray that you, being rooted and established in love, may have power, together with all saints, to grasp how wide and long and high and deep is the love of Christ, and to know this love that surpasses knowledge, that may be filled to the measure of all the fullness of God. Ephesians 3:16 through 19. I think that's a beautiful verse. I pray that out of his glorious riches he may strengthen you with power through his Spirit in your inner being, so that Christ may dwell in your hearts through faith. This was a good devotional today. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, thank you so much for being with me. And y'all have a blessed day.